Today, I'm making one of my favorite tofu dishes. It's incredibly simple, but so delicious. Pan-fried tofu, or Dubu Buchim in Korean. Stay tuned for the perfect Korean tofu sauce. I also share a few important tips that will help you make perfect pan-fried tofu every time. This is the tofu I'm using today. For this recipe, choose firm tofu or pan-frying tofu, in Korean, buchimdubu. You can use soft tofu, but it's much more likely to break apart while cooking. Firm tofu develops a wonderful texture without any coating, so you can really enjoy its naturally nutty flavor. First, remove as much moisture as possible with a clean kitchen towel. Paper towels work just as well. Once it's dry, cut it into slices about 1 centimeter thick. Lay the slices flat, then gently press both sides again to remove any remaining moisture. This step is really important. If the tofu is too wet, the oil will splatter and it won't brown properly. Sprinkle a little salt over the tofu. Heat a little oil in a frying pan and cook the tofu over medium heat until both sides are beautifully golden brown. It takes a little longer than you might expect. This is the color you're looking for. For the sauce, honey is the secret ingredient. But if you don't have any, sugar works just fine. Also, the Korean red pepper flakes are the key ingredient. In Korean, gochugaru. As they absorb the liquid, the sauce develops a slightly thicker texture. They're not as spicy as you might think because they're added directly to the sauce instead of being cooked in oil. Now, let's make it. Green onion, minced garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, honey, Korean red pepper flakes, sesame seeds. Mix everything together well. Now let me show you how I like to serve it. Arrange the tofu slices neatly on a serving plate, then spoon the sauce down the center. Do you remember the broccoli side dish from my last video? Serve them together with rice for a healthy and delicious vegan meal. Enjoy!